Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, Cruise Toolkit. This is the H2. This is a Harley one. Also available as a metric, or there's a bit of a mixture one they do for a V-rod. This will do with your other Harleys. And also they do metric, but basically very cool stuff. Chrome vanadium, not cheap shit. These are all 3/8, 7/16, obviously Harley Davidson sizes. And as you can see here, complete with a rag, you know, for cleaning your hands or whatever. And this shows you exactly what you get. So you get all your 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 10mm, which a lot of Harleys do use, unfortunately now. Screwdriver, tire gauge, plug socket, star wrenches, or Torx as we call them, hex wrenches, Allen keys, mechanics wire, cable ties, and shop towel. Okay, so pretty well anything. Even if you break down, you should be able to strap something back on with the little bits you get in this kit. So if you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666, alternatively www.customcruisers.com, or the new one, customcruisers.eu, if you've got a Milwaukee 8 or the late Harleys. Lots of stuff on there for those which aren't on the old site, but also available in the metric sizes as well. If you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666. As I say, thank you.